But why was it never replicated? Why does nothing else like it exist in the historical record? Modern reconstructions of the Antikythera mechanism suggest that it contained at least 30 bronze gears, each precisely interlocked to track the movement of celestial bodies. It could predict lunar and solar eclipses, track the phases of the moon, and even model the irregular motion of the moon, based on what we now know as Kepler's laws, centuries before Johannes Kepler even theorized them. Some researchers believe it may have also been used for tracking the Olympic Games, as ancient inscriptions suggest it kept track of a 4-year cycle. This means that whoever designed it had an astonishing understanding of astronomy and mathematics, far beyond what historians believed ancient civilizations were capable of. Theories about the device's origins have led to endless debate. Some suggest that it was created by a lost genius, perhaps even the work of the famed mathematician Archimedes, whose knowledge of mechanics was centuries ahead of his time. Others propose that it was a product of an entire school of thought, a forgotten lineage of Greek engineers whose work was lost to history when the Roman Empire took control of Greece.